In this video, I'm going to show you the exact method for making him more affectionate and caring. This is for you if you want to make him feel safe to be more vulnerable with you, or maybe you're feeling insecure because he doesn't show you the love he claims to have towards you, or maybe you're worried that you're doing something wrong that is making it uneasy for him, and that's why he's not showing you his love. In any case, in this video, you will learn the main reason why he isn't affectionate towards you, the 3 secret steps to make him more affectionate and caring towards you, and, if you stay till the end, I'm going to give you a definite thing a man will do if he actually, truly love you. This will be especially true if he is not being very affectionate, so make sure not to miss that. But before that, if you like videos about preventing your relationship from fading away and experiencing the magical relationship you've always dreamed of, subscribe to the channel and tick the notification bell. Also, I have a free swipe file of 5 phrases you can say to any man to make him addicted to you in the description down below. Okay, let's get into the video. The main reason why he isn't affectionate towards you. The main reason that keeps most men from being affectionate is the fear of letting go, losing control. When you are more expressive towards someone, you need him or her to be with you. So if that person was to do something not nice or betray you in some way, then you would be crushed and devastated. So because of that, to prevent himself from the devastation, he puts up walls emotionally, and he controls himself. So, what can you do to make him more affectionate? Step 1. Appreciate good behavior. You can say something like, "Remember when you did X, that made me feel amazing. Can we do that again?" That line is appreciating him for his good behavior and trying to get him to do it again. When you stop complaining about the things he does wrong and compliment the things he does right, he feels safe to be vulnerable. This makes him realize that you are happy and comfortable with him, that he can be himself, and you won't complain about it. Step 2. Communicate. Tell him exactly what you need. Just tell him that you would be the happiest woman in the world if he wrapped his arms around you when watching a movie, or anything like that. It can be specific as much as you want. When you tell him what you exactly want, it makes him feel you're honest with him, and you're open with him. This will lead to him being more open towards you, and he will try to be more affectionate to give the love you want. Step 3. Evaluate yourself. Make sure you're still the woman that he fell in love with. He got an attraction towards you for a reason. Make sure you haven't lost that part of yourself. Make sure to be yourself. Make sure to be the person he fell in love with. He will feel more and more comfortable around you when you are exactly the person he wants to be with. He will just naturally be more affectionate towards you, because he knows he loves you from the heart. So make sure to never lose the qualities and the charm that he likes. Okay, so those are the 3 steps, and since you've stuck with me till the end, I'm going to give you a definite thing a man will do if he truly loves you, and even if he's not being too affectionate, he will definitely do this. And that is, he includes you when he talks about the future. He includes you in his bigger life plans. He makes it clear that he envisions a future with you, so pay attention to the way he talks about the future. Does he use the word we? Here is an example. If he doesn't see you in his future, he would say stuff like, "I really want to move to California." But if he sees you in his future, then he would say, "I would really like to move to California. Would you ever consider living in California?" Okay, but you have to understand, just being more affectionate is not enough to create an everlasting special relationship. You need to make him addicted to you. So that's why I've put together a free swipe file of 5 untold phrases you can say to any man to make him addicted to you, in the description down below. And those are not just simple concepts, those are exact phrases you can say to a man to make him truly addicted to you. So make sure to get your free download in the description. And if you want more videos about women's relationships, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.